So, she is asking me a very interesting, very important question. Why the French? I told you. So, before the independence, so there is no way.
This is the synagogue here.
You can sit down. So now we're going to talk about the history of the Jewish, and I answer your question. I'd like you to be relaxed here and to explain to you. Yes, you can take a picture. This is a museum, not anymore functioning as a synagogue. Okay, to church, just to show, but after they say to me, Farida, you have not to do that because I didn't know, and it was wrong.
This is the
you
Torah
can
here.
To the mikveh if you like to take a picture. Just be careful in your steps.
This is the old synagogue, which is now a museum here now. And you get all the benches, all the men down here. The ladies would be up top on that section up top there. And we're going to go down to the basement to look at that pool that they have there. And we got some back here too. We got where they could, have a little, the Rabbi Shlomo Ibn Danan, 1847 to 1948. He was the president of this place in Fez here. So yeah, there it is. We came back here. That was a different one here. Not the same guy. Some old pictures here. You can see. And then we can go downstairs. And see the pool down there. Is there head clearance? Yes, I think I better turn. Okay, this is that pool. Doesn't look too great because it's just a hole in the ground. It looks pretty deep, but it'd be a little scary. To me, it's scary. This would frighten the woman from getting married if she had to be dipped in here. But they said they don't do that anymore. And that's the hole where we look through up top. Wave to the people. Oh, okay, coming back up here. I think that's about it. Okay, where's my head here? Okay, good. Oh, we're going up another alley here. You can see the old wood from old times here.
Also,
What's stuff there? Oh, you got a little pool table in there, a little pool room for the guys.
Just to make it clear.
Yeah, the Medusa or whatever
is for the Medusa. So this is just to know.
Alright, yeah, you can see this has been here for a long time. Up there. Look at that, way up there, it's pretty tall. Okay.
This is another one here.
Yeah, yeah.
See?